A flock of birds. A pack of wolves. A herd of cows. A school of fish. A pride of lions. A swarm of bees. A colony of ants. A litter of puppies. A brood of chicks. A gaggle of geese. A pod of dolphins. A troop of monkeys. A herd of horses. A pack of dogs. A bunch of grapes. A bunch of bananas. A bunch of keys. A bouquet of flowers. A bundle of sticks. A stack of books. A pile of clothes. A collection of stamps. A deck of cards. A string of pearls. A set of tools. A fleet of ships. A convoy of trucks. A cluster of stars. A team of players. A crew of sailors. A class of students. A crowd of people. A group of friends. A band of musicians. A staff of employees. A panel of judges. A board of directors. A cast of actors. A troop of soldiers. A gang of criminals. A gang of thieves. A gang of robbers. An audience. A jury. A group of birds is called a flock. A group of fish is called a school. A group of bees is called a swarm. A group of ants is called a colony. A group of geese is called a gaggle. A group of cows is called a herd. A group of wolves is called a pack. A group of lions is called a pride. A group of chicks is called a brood. A group of dolphins is called a pod. A group of monkeys is called a troop. A group of dogs is called a pack. A group of puppies is called a litter. A group of players is called a team. A group of sailors is called a crew. A group of students is called a class. A group of people is called a crowd. A group of musicians is called a band. A group of singers is called a choir.